Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do a lossless setup in Spotify. So if you want to have the lossless setups in your audio streaming for your Spotify, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to make sure you have the Spotify app. Once you have it, simply open it up. By clicking onto it, the app will get open. On the left side, you will see your profile icon at the top. You have to simply click onto your profile icon and then click on settings and privacy, which is the last option. Simply click onto this option, then you have to click onto this option, which is the media quality. Click onto this option, and after that, you will get this option audio streaming quality, and within that you will see the option for the Wi-Fi quality. There you will find the option for lossless. If you couldn't find it, then you have to select this last option, which is very high, which is as similar as the lossless. In some cases or some different variations you find the option for lossless, but in some you would not. In that case you have to click on very high. So that's how you will be able to set up the lossless connection for Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.